Solka, IB Masters Learning Center, and ibmasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 7, Section 4, number 25, which reads questions 25 and 26 for the following information. As soon as you see a graphic, whether it's a table like we have here, or a graph, you want to read the title. Take a moment, make sure it registers. If there's an X and Y axis, look at it, make sure it registers. If a trend is positive or negative, what's increasing as what else is increasing, what's decreasing as what's decreasing. Pull it apart, make sure you know what's going on before you start looking at those answer choices. So here we've got energy per gram of typical macronutrients. So just based on the title, we see the macronutrients column. We've got protein, fat, and carbs, food calories, and kilojoules. So when it says protein 4.0 calories, according to the title, it's 4 calories per gram. Energy per gram, calories, a measure of energy. Or 16.7 kilojoules per gram. Kilojoules is also a measure of energy. And if you didn't know, it says it down here. The table above gives a typical amount of energy per gram expressed both in food calories and kilojoules of 3 macronutrients in food. And then you see fat is higher. It's 9.0, 37.7. And then carbs is exactly the same as protein. And then we get to question 25. You always want to underline what stuff stands for. X food calories is equivalent to K kilojoules of the following, which represents the relationship between X and K. So simply put, you could just plug these in if you're not sure. You could just plug them in. So let's test out protein. If we plug 4 in for X because it's food calories, we should get 16.7. And if you multiply 4 by 0.24, remember there's 4 quarters in a dollar. That's going to give you a little less than 1. That's going to give you 0.96. That doesn't work. Now if we multiply 4 by 4.2, that looks about right. And you could always, this is with calc math, so you could pull your calculator out. 4.2 times 4. And it's 16.8. We got 16.7 here, but notice it says best represents. If you get something that close and it best represents, you know it's going to be the answer. Now if we reversed it, if we plugged our kilojoules in and multiplied that by 4.2, 16.7 times 4.2 is going to give us, a little more than 4 times 16.7. So that's definitely going to be wrong. And then if you multiply 4 and 16.7, you definitely don't get 4.2. So your correct answer here has to be B. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble reading tables like this or doesn't think, hey, I could just plug them into the answer choices. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.